Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to make granola. If you have been buying granola, store-bought granola, after watching this you'll be making yours on your own in your house. Now this is very healthy. It's a very healthy meal to take. You can snack on this on its own. You can take it with milk. You can use it to make your parfait, your yogurt parfait. You can even sell it. Okay, my recipe is very simple and it is something that, anyways, look at what I have here. Isn't this beautiful? Let's just get to it now. If you want to sell this, you see how I packed it. You can actually sell it like this, or just store it in your house for your family, okay, or yourself, or you can pack it in smaller sizes like this if you want to attach it to your parfait, or you want to eat it but you don't really want to be opening up that stuff every time. So now in a bowl I'm going to add my oil. This oil should either be olive oil or your clean vegetable oil or your coconut oil. Preferably it should be coconut oil, but I am using vegetable oil because I don't have coconut oil as at the time I was making this video. Now I'm going to add my honey. I will drop recipe, okay? I'll drop recipe. Just keep watching the video. I'll drop recipe before the end of this video. The recipe will pop up on the screen. Now after adding my oil and honey, I'm just going to go ahead and mix both together to combine them. Make sure that they mix thoroughly. Next, I'm going to add vanilla flavor to this. Vanilla flavor. This is going to give us a very good flavor as we eat our granola. Then I'm adding coconut flavor as well because I'm supposed to use coconut oil, but I didn't use coconut oil, so I still need that coconut flavor inside of this. That's why I added coconut, a little amount of coconut oil. Go ahead and mix properly. Mix very well. Then I'm going to add cinnamon powder to this. Now cinnamon powder is also going to help enhance the taste of this. It will enhance the taste. Guys, just follow my recipe, okay? Just follow it. It's nice. Now I'm just going to keep that aside. That's our wet ingredients. Then I'll go in with my oats. See the oats I'm using. This is not the regular oats like the Quaker oats that you buy and just eat in the market. This one is rolled oats, and you can see that this is big seeds. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my almond. I had to slice my almond. I also use pumpkin seed. I'm making a healthy granola, and I have sesame seed here as well. Now feel free to take out the pumpkin seed and the sesame seed if you don't like them, okay? I'm looking for something very healthy, and yeah, if you don't like them you can take it out. And then if there is any other kind of seed that you like or not, feel free to add it to your granola. Now I'm just going to mix both the liquid and the oats together. I'll use my hand to mix, okay? Just wash your hand clean, put on gloves if you have. If you don't have gloves, just wash your hand clean and then use your hand to mix properly, because at this point your spatula will not do the job. So I'm going to mix until I am fully convinced that this is well combined. Now one thing with granola is, if you want a brownish granola, you want to use more honey. But if you add too much honey to your granola will be too sweet. So if you want something like that, fine. But this particular one I made, this one I'm doing right now, is totally fine. The appearance, the color, it's fine. It's brown. Okay, it's fine, it's just fine. So this recipe is going to give you a perfect, not too sweet granola. Okay, after that I'm going to go ahead and toast this. Now if you have an oven, you choose to use an oven, you can use an oven to toast this. You want to toast until it turns brown. Okay, it all depends on how brownish you want it. If you want it very brown, you leave it until it turns very brown of which most of it is going to burn out. If you don't want it too brownish, you can just stop at some point. Just see what I am going to do. Now make sure you're doing this on a low heat. Okay, your heat, the fire should not be too much. Now while toasting this, you toast and then it's going to reduce in size. Of course it should reduce in size because we're actually trying to dry it up. And yeah, so make sure that you're using you're doing this on a low heat. We'll keep toasting until I get my what I'm looking for, then I'm gonna stop. Just keep watching. At this point my this thing is very dry. Okay, I've toasted it to a point where it is dry, so I'm going to add my coconut flakes to it, my milky coconut flakes to it. If you haven't watched the video where I taught how to make this milky coconut, go and watch it. Okay, I'm going to leave it in the description box, how to make coconut flakes, milky coconut flakes. So I'm going to just toast everything together. And I'm actually, like, I added this because my milky coconut flakes is not too dry, so it's still okay for me to toast along. After toasting, I'm just going to put everything on my tray and leave it to cool. Okay, I'm going to put everything here and I will spread it out so that it will cool. Now this is what I have. I'm still going to spread it out further so that the heat will come out, it will cool. At this point I'm going to add my coconut chips to it. Okay, if you haven't seen this video, please go and see it. It's very good. You will learn how to make your coconut chips, how to make your milky coconut flakes. You will learn it, so go and see it. So I'm going to mix in my coconut chips, mix everything together. Mind you, I'm adding these things when my granola is already cool. Okay, it's not hot again. Now I'm going to add my mixed dried fruits to my granola. Now this is also going to like step up the game. This is going to step up the game. Is fine, like make it look beautiful, make it taste better. I'm going to just mix everything together, mix properly. At this point my spoon cannot do the mixing again, so I'm going to use my hand. So I'll put on my glove. This is the mixed fruit that I'm using. See, this one not expensive though, a bit expensive. So I'm going to mix everything together. If you want to know how much I spent making this, do let me know in the comment section. Drop your question, drop whatever it is in the comment section, and I'm going to put down the prices for you. I'm going to answer you and tell you whatever you need. Okay, so feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, turn on your post notification bell. And yeah, after that I'm going to mix this granola properly. After mixing, I'll go ahead and package them. So I packaged in this Later on, I decided, I just changed my mind. I was like, okay, let me get one of this container and put it into this smaller nylon, so that if it is with yogurt parfait, you can just attach one of this nylon to it and sell. If even if you want to take it in the house, you can just bring out one nylon. You know that per serving is one nylon, or per serving is two nylons. That actually makes it easier, right? So your choice. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.